Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Pooja. I am a BMS doctor and currently working in Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today we are going to talk about holistic management of tonsillitis. So we'll see what is tonsillitis and then we'll go through the holistic management. The tonsillitis. Tonsillitis refers to acute inflammation of the tonsils. It is also known as the acute sore throat. Chronic tonsillitis is a term applied to cases in which there is enlargement of the tonsils accompanied by repeated attacks of infection. The tonsils are two small lymphoid organs that lie one on each side of the throat. They can be seen just behind the back of the tongue between two folds of the membrane running up to the soft palate. Normally, they are about the size of a lima bean, but they can become very large if severely infected. These are valuable organs of selective elimination and perform a twofold function. Firstly, they protect the throat against the disease germs. Secondly, they serve as barometers for indicating infections elsewhere in the body when they become sore and swollen. Symptoms. The main symptoms of tonsillitis are sore throat, fever, headache, pain in the various parts of the body, difficulty in swallowing, and general weakness. The tonsils are seen to be inflamed and red when the mouth is open wide. In many cases, spots of pus exudes from them. Externally, the tonsillar lymph glands, which lie just behind the angle of the jaw, are tender and enlarged. In several cases, there may be pain in the ear. Causes. The chief cause of tonsillitis is a toxic condition of the system generally and is brought to head by sudden lowering of vitality resulting from exposure and sudden chill. Tonsils enlarge and get inflamed when the toxins cannot be got rid of through the normal channels of elimination such as the bowels, kidneys and skin. Throat afflictions of this kind is also associated with the result of chronic constipation when toxins which should have been ejected from the system in the normal way are reabsorbed into the bloodstream. Treatment. The treatment of tonsillitis on the lines of modern medical system by means of uh, painting and spraying is both harmful and suppressive. It does not help to rid the system of toxins, which are the root of the trouble. In fact, it forces these toxins back into the system, which may cause more serious trouble later on. The correct way to treat the disease is to clean the system of toxic waste through proper dietary and other natural methods. To begin with, the patient should fast it for 3 to 5 days, by which time serious symptoms would subside. Nothing but water and orange juice should be taken during this time. The bowels should be cleaned daily with a warm water enema during the period of fasting. A cold pack should be applied to the throat at 2 hours interval during the day. The procedure is to uh, bring out some linen material in cold water. Wrap it two or three times around the throat and cover it with some flannelling. The throat may be gargled several times daily with neat lemon juice. Grapes made from the fenugreek seeds is very effective in several cases. To make such a gargle, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed should be allowed to simmer for about half an hour in a liter of water and then set aside to cool. The entire quantity should be used as a soothing gargle in a day with beneficial results. A hot Epsom salt bath taken every day or every other day will also be beneficial. After the acute symptoms of tonsillitis are over, the patient should adopt an whole fruit diet for further time 3 to 4 days. In this regimen, 3 meals of fresh, juicy fruits such as apples, grapes, grapefruit, oranges, pears, pineapple, peaches, and melon must be taken. The juices of fresh pineapple is most valuable in all throat afflictions of this kind. After the all fruit diet, the patient may gradually embark upon a well balanced diet on the following lines. Breakfast: fresh fruits or grated raw carrot or any other raw salads and milk. Prunes or other dried fruits may be added if desired. Lunch. Steamed vegetable as obtained and whole wheat chapatis. Vegetables like bitter gourd and fenugreek are especially beneficial. Dinner. A good sized raw salads or vegetables are obtainable. Uh, Sprout seeds or mung beans and also alfalfa seeds, wholemeal bread or and butter or cottage cheese. Raw vegetable juices are also valuable in the treatment of tonsillitis. Juice of carrot, beet, and cucumber taken individually or in combination are especially beneficial. Formula proportion found to be helpful when used in combination are carrot 300 ml, beet 100 ml, and cucumber 100 ml. The daily dry friction and hip bath as well as breathing and other exercises should all form part of the daily health regimen. A hot Epsom salt bath once or twice a week can also be taken regularly with beneficial results. Tonsillitis can be successfully treated by the natural methods outlined above. Surgery for the removal of the tonsils is necessary once only if in very rare cases where tonsils are seriously diseased, rugged, or and contain hopelessly incurable pus pockets. That was all about tonsillitis. Thank you.